going to change oil on this Troy-Bilt zero turn. It says it's a Mustang Colt, but it's not. Somebody put the wrong label on it at the factory. So it was labeled as a 42-inch deck, so I got it for the 42-inch deck price. I was the only one that noticed it, and they rang it up and sold it to me for that price. That was 10 years ago. It's been running pretty good. I've had to put spindles on it and stuff, maintain the deck, but I do need to change oil on it. It's fairly easy. It's got an oil filter, oil drain hose right here, so it's not overcomplicated. I warmed it up, run around block, and we're going to pull that filter, drain it, refill it. So I'm just going to use some vice grips to hold the hose. Nothing crazy, just brass hose. And adjustable or crescent wrench, however you want to, whatever you want to call it, I guess. Not really. However, I'll run this down through here, let that drain out. Take this off, have the air in between it. Pick that pace a little bit now. Spilled some oil out of my jug there. Okay, it's done draining. It took forever to drain 2 quarts out. Put the plug back in. Ugh, smells like dog poop on these tires. I wonder why, mister. I guess you got poop somewhere. Alright. Now just gotta pull that filter. Shouldn't be too difficult. And it's just gonna drain into that hole, so we wanna get that on there. Oh yeah, it comes right off. Now this is a perulator, however you say it. L10241. This is for a car. I got it at the auto parts store. It's like $8 cheaper than the Koler one. I think it's just a brand name. It's the exact same oil filter. I cross-referenced it and found it. Yeah, I think this cost like $5 when I bought it. I bought a Fran this time, which is PH3614. It was like $4 or $5 at Walmart, and they do the same job. I use paper towels. My hands are all dirty. It's a pretty simple oil change. Nothing difficult about it. It's got the grip on it too, which is sweet. I like the grip. Not a big fan of Frams, but thing only runs for like 30 to 45 minutes at a time. You just always want to inspect it, make sure there's no crud on it. Wipe it off down in there. Try to wipe some of that oil down into the hole. And oil up your seal so it doesn't twist. Seal's good. Screw it back on. Get it nice and hand tight so that don't break it off. Just wipe everything up decent. A little oil on this thing will hurt it, keep it from rusting. So now this takes 2 US quarts, 10W30, SAE30, whatever you want to put in it. I'm putting the high mileage Supertex Walmart oil in it. said, it's a 10-year-old lawnmower. It runs for 30 minutes at a time. If you change it regularly, you'll never have a problem with it. If you can only change it once every 10 years, you might want to buy better oil. And you just fill it through the hole. That you check the dipstick goes into. I try to change it once a year. I don't think I changed it last year though. I got busy, so I got 2 years out of the last oil change. Easy peasy. Not rocket science. Take the old oil out, take the old filter off, put a new filter on, plug it back up, put the new oil in. Oil, your choice. Just make sure it's the right viscosity. It's made for the mower. Meets all the standards the manufacturer recommends. And a whole debate of oil and what people want to use. That can start a World War III pretty easily on the internet nowadays. So, anybody make comments below about your favorite oil and why? Go ahead and do it. Get a debate started. But Sleep Protect's good for my 10-year-old lawnmower. It'd be awesome if I got another 10 years out of it. We'll see. It's actually been a pretty beast of a mower. I do have a bent blade or deck. It's mowing off slightly a little bit. I haven't messed with it yet. Hasn't bothered me that bad. Again, purelator for the, this is a Koler Courage 22 V-twin. I believe it is a SV715 motor. You can use the purelator L10241 filter, or if you want to really cheap out, get the cheap frame. Well, I got the extra guard. pH 3614. That's not working. But I'll write that down later. Let's get this oil change going. This over here, we're done with that. Almost full, time to recycle. Reading full there. Crank it up, make sure she gets pumped into the It's reading that there, but it should fill back up. I'm going to let it set for a little bit. Let it drain back down in the pan, and we'll check it then. I let it set for probably 3 minutes, 5 minutes maybe, and it's already over halfway. So, like I said, it's 2 quart capacity. I put 2 quarts in, drained about 2 quarts out. New filter. So, I know it's good to go. I'm gonna go ahead and mow because it's nice. I should go fishing, but if I don't mow now, it's gonna be crazy high.